Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're ready for some good eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fried egg sandwich. It's easy to make and only requires a few ingredients. So let's get started. So I've been buying this French bread at Walmart for $1 and I love it. It's super chewy and fresh. So today I'm going to make an egg sandwich, a fried egg sandwich with cheddar, a super sharp cheddar, and see how that goes. This is my favorite, extra sharp cheddar cheese. It definitely has a bite to it. Go ahead and put the cheese on. Okay, that is perfect. And then we'll just lay the egg over the top. I like it when my egg gets dark around here. It's crunchy and chewy. Has a little texture. Okay, those are about ready. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the egg on top of the toast. As you can see, the yolk is perfect. Push it back on. I'll go ahead and put the second egg on there. Wow. That French bread is so chewy. Wow. That is really amazing. It's crispy on the outside, but it's still fluffy on the inside. And then you have the cheddar as well. Oh, that's so good. Because you have the cheddar on both sides of the egg. It's just delicious. I think my dog wants a bite. You want a bite? This is definitely the best bread, in my opinion, for the breakfast sandwich. And it's only $1 at Walmart. It just has that nice balance of chewy on the inside and crispy on the outside.
Thanks so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and you'll be notified when my next video is released.